Hi, I'm Phyllis. My website is southernfrugal.com. Tonight we're going to make cornbread salad, and I'll leave links and everything down below in the recipe. But anyway, let's get started. So the first thing to do is cook a little pack of Jiffy cornmeal mix. Now, the recipe calls for adding 1/3 of a cup of sugar to this mix. That's the only thing I did not do. I left out because I think the Jiffy corn muffin mix is pretty sweet anyway. So made that, and then broke those up into sort of bite-sized pieces. And so to that, we're going to add, this is 9 pieces of bacon, fried crisp and broken up into little pieces. Put that in. And I used my Vidalia Chop Wizard for this. So it's 1 small onion. Can y'all see that? Yeah. 1 bell pepper, a green bell pepper, and 2 small tomatoes, or just 2 tomatoes. I actually used 1 large tomato because it was vine ripened and really good, so I wanted to use that. So it's tomato, green bell pepper, and a small onion. Plus it was much easier to chop it up like this. So we're going to dump all these ingredients. There's what they look like. And there's the onion, the bell pepper, and the tomato. Just dump that in. And then we're just going to mix that all up. Get it sort of evenly divided. And I figure we can have this as our snack in the evening for probably 2 or 3 days. Instead of eating our dessert, which is what we do a lot of times, just eat our dessert that we would have had at our main meal of the day. Oh, that smells great. All right, so then to this we're going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. And this happens to be Duke mayonnaise. Just spread that around and mix it all up. And I am thinking this would probably be better after it's been refrigerated for several hours. That's my thinking on it anyway. Mix it all up. And by the way, it only takes about 20 minutes to cook this little Jiffy cornmeal mix. Make sure that mayonnaise gets mixed in with the cornbread. All right, I'm going to have to taste of this. That looks very Christmassy to me with the green peppers and the red tomatoes. All right, I think we got that pretty well mixed up. I am going to taste of this for y'all, so hold on. Let me get, oh wait, I got a spoon right here. I'm going to dip out some. I'm going to taste of it. It's very good. Now this can be used as a side dish too. I can see this with fried pork chops, maybe some skillet fried ham, all kinds of things. And I can definitely see that it would be probably better after it was refrigerated for, I don't know, at least a couple of hours. It's very good. All right, so let's talk about this for a minute. All right, so this came in, I can't get my camera right. This came in a comment. And in the comment, there was a link to the video. Now, I don't know if y'all are aware of this or not, but comments that come in with links on them or tags of any kind on it, YouTube pulls those out, so you never really get to see them unless I approve them. And so there's a section on YouTube in my the Creator Studio part where it will list those. And if I decide to approve them, then they can be posted. Otherwise, they're never posted. And there's a reason for that, because people try to promote their own channel and their own website in all kinds of places. And so what they try to do, they usually would pick someone that has a lot of subscribers, and they'll make comments 2 or 3 times in a row, and then about the 4th or 5th one they'll leave a link to their own channel or their own website. And I've even had them, because people have these Amazon stores on websites, and they'll try to promote that. So needless to say, I get probably hundreds per week, and most of the time I just don't look at them, because they always have a link of some kind in there. And the only reason I saw this one is because I had already taken care of them, and then I went back and I saw this one. And anyway, this came from Joel Swanson. He made the comment and asked me if I had a recipe for cornbread salad, and of course I wrote back and said I'd never heard of cornbread salad. And so then he sent a link. Now this link is to the State Bank of Wynnewood, I think is the way you say that. And it's a young lady. She looks like she's in the kitchen of the bank. That's what it looks like. And she is making this, and I'll have to say it's really good. And I was fascinated with the recipe. Now I get recipes, I've asked y'all for recipes a lot, and that's fine, but you can't do links. I don't allow links on my channel, and I don't because, well, YouTube recommends that you don't allow them. And the other thing is, if you start allowing it, then every comment is going to have a link in it promoting somebody else's channel or somebody else's website. So I hope y'all understand that. And there have been a few exceptions, but see, I don't have any way of knowing whether that person is promoting their channel or someone's promoting it for them. I have no way of knowing that. And so I'd say 99.9% of the time do not allow it. But again, this case, I did think this was a good recipe, and I'm not promoting this lady's website or her bank or her videos, but I do think it's a good recipe. And it's unfortunate that we probably miss out on a lot of stuff because it's not allowed, but it's not allowed for a very good reason. So anyway, you know, I will go ahead and list this and list Joel Swanson's name and the link for the video where the lady made the salad. And by the way, it is very good. Yeah, it is very good. So I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to say with this. Anyway, there it is again. I mean, I can see this on the Christmas table, especially with the really pretty colors. Let me put it up close so y'all, isn't that pretty? Yeah, and it tastes very, very good. And it is called cornbread salad. And Joel Swanson said, I think in his comment, either the first one or the second one mentioned that he had only had it, I don't know if he said restaurants or he had it out. He had never made it himself. But anyway, here it is. And The way I figure it, we'll be eating this like probably tomorrow night and for the next 2 nights. Instead of having our dessert at around 7 o'clock at night, we'll be having this, which is probably a lot better for us than the dessert would be. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to y'all, and I hope you do understand what I was saying about the links. People, I don't know when it got started, but I've been getting those. I've been doing YouTube videos for, I guess, 6.5 years now, and I get them all the time because people are wanting to get a lot of views on their channel. They want to get a lot of views on their website, and so they just go around to all kinds of people on YouTube and wherever and leave links, so somebody will click on it and go watch their video or go to their website and all this kind of stuff. So the way I feel about that is if you've got good content, people are going to come and watch it. So you don't have to do, I really think it's dishonest to do it the other way. All right, y'all, I'm going to leave the link right down below in this video, and you can see the recipe, okay? All right, and thanks to Joel Swanson for giving us the link. All right, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.